A common question we receive at Neogen from our customers is how can one effectively measure their sanitation efforts on surfaces? Neogen's AccuPoint Advanced Next Generation system is one way to do that. Our flat tip sampler provides better repeatability, consistency, and coverage compared to the Q-tip swabs others may provide. Neogen's AccuPoint Advanced Next Generation system also has an RFID technology. This technology gives our users the ability to place tags in different areas and lines throughout their facility. Taking the device to that tag, scanning it, will then put those site plans directly onto the device for testing. Site plan selection and randomization is also a feature within the Data Manager software. This will give our users the ability to test every site on their site plan within a period of time. The Data Manager software and Neogen Analytics give users the ability to track, trend, and pull reports as needed to identify areas of improvement. If you'd like to learn more, please contact your Neogen rep or visit neogen.com.